Hey there, future coders. Welcome to Programming Made Simple. This is part 1 of our series on operator in JavaScript. And today we're starting with the most fundamental one, arithmetic operator. Those are the building blocks of calculation in your code. Let's get started. Arithmetic operators allow us to perform math operation, just like using a calculator. Here are the 5 main ones. Addition, add two numbers. Subtraction, subtract one number from another. Multiplication, multiply two numbers. Division, divide one number by another. Modulus, give the remainder of a division. Let's start with addition. It's simple as adding two numbers. Here, we added 10 plus 5 and JavaScript printed 15. Easy, right? Next up, subtraction works the same way, but it subtract numbers. We start with 20, subtract 8 and got 12. Simple. Time for multiplication, used to multiply numbers together. Multiplying 4 by 3 gives us 12, just like finding the area of a rectangle. Now division lets us split one number by another. Imagine you have 24 cookies and 6 friends. Each friend gets 4 cookies. That's division. Finally, the modulus operator gives us the remainder when dividing numbers. Think of it like splitting 10 apples among 3 people. Each get 3 and 1 apple is left over. That's the remainder. Let's recap what we learned today. Addition, add numbers. Subtraction, subtract numbers. Multiplication, multiply numbers. Division, divide numbers. Modulus, give the remainder. And that's it. Arithmetic operators makes coding calculation super easy. Try this challenge. Write a program that calculates the total cost of 3 items and print the result. Post your answers in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will explore comparison operators. See you next time.